everybody. I am making a quilted jacket and I ran out of basting spray. So normally I baste the... Okay, I have to pause the video here to let you guys know that in this video, when I say basting, what I'm really talking about is spray basting. Pinning is a different type of basting. Layers of the backing, the batting, and the top fabric or quilt or whatever I'm going to do when I'm making a jacket. I will baste it together, mark all my markings to quilt it, and then I'll quilt it and then sew the jacket together. I ran out of basting spray, and y'all, I decided that I love pinning more than basting. So if you have an opinion about that, let me know. This is my first time that I've had to pin. So what I'm finding is happening is that when it's basted, if I don't do like the best job ever in basting, I will get ripples and things, you know, that you don't necessarily want in a quilt, but in a quilted jacket, it's a little bit more acceptable. But it was happening, like it happened a lot on this jacket because I was running out of basting spray and I didn't do a good enough job. And so instead of going to buy more, and I didn't really want to waste all that time, so I just started pinning it, and I thought, well, let me just see how this goes. And so I am doing just a grid quilting pattern on this jacket where there's just straight lines at 90-degree angles across the entire quilt. I'm putting pins in each square so that I can just sew right through it. I don't have to remove the pins. And y'all, it is working. Like, it's fabulous. It's working out really well. I know I see a lot of people use safety pins. My safety pins are not sharp enough. And these pieces are small, so I just used regular pins. And it's really, like, I'm loving it. It's perfect for this size, these pieces. Like, I'm sewing on the arm right now, so. As you can see, like, I haven't poked myself yet. Like, happy Saturday. Life is good. Yeah, like when I think it's gonna buckle and tuck, because there's pins and not basting spray, the fabric, the 3 layers are allowed to move. Now, I also have the possibility of putting on my walking foot, but to be quite honest with you, I didn't, and then by the time I thought about it, this was working, so I just didn't. This is going to be the cutest jacket. I'm making it for Miss Judy. She's like another one of my aunts. She's good friends of the family. And we will definitely have some modeling once it's done and she's wearing it. All right, y'all. Have a great Saturday. I'm going to keep sewing.